Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. So this is just another example for Boolean simplification, and I'm going to do it step by step. So I think I'm just going to multiply the terms together so that it becomes larger, and then maybe I can take some commons from them. Okay, so for the first one, I can see that this becomes a b prime c plus b b prime d. Okay, so let me just put it inside a bracket, and for the next one it's a prime c, and inside that bracket I can see that there is 1 plus d prime. So 1 plus d prime means 1 actually, and the complement sign should be there too. Okay, yeah. Okay, so BC stays as it is, and this is the closing bracket. And here for this part over there I can put it in distributive law. Yeah, so a plus a prime and a plus d prime. Okay, so I can put it in distributive law. Okay, so next what I want to do, I want to work on this part over there. Okay, I want to work on this part. So for the remaining part, let's just write it as it is. Yeah, and there is b prime d. So b prime is actually 0, so I can just write 0 here, because if this is 0 then this whole thing is 0. Alright, so I can just write 0 there, and then a prime c and b and 1 prime. Okay, 1 prime means 0, right? So this becomes 0. BC stays as it is, and then a plus a prime is 1, and a plus d prime stays as it is. Okay, okay. Next, a b prime c plus 0. So this becomes a b prime c plus a prime c. So b dot 0. So this becomes 0 now. Yeah, this becomes 0, right? Okay, so then BC, so there's no point of this bracket anymore, I guess, so you can just put the bracket here. So 1 stays as it is, and a plus d prime stays as it is. Okay, so for the next line, now this whole thing becomes 0 actually. A prime c dot 0, so this whole thing becomes 0 now, I guess. So a b prime c plus 0 plus bc, 1 stays as it is, a plus d prime stays as it is. Okay, so now the term actually becomes a b prime c plus bc and a plus d prime, right? So now I'm just going to multiply it. I think I'm almost at the end of this simplification, so I'm just going to multiply it. So a b prime c plus a b prime c d prime plus a b c plus b c d prime. Okay, so a this becomes a actually, so the next term will be a b prime c plus a b prime c d prime plus a b c. So the remaining terms stays as they are, no change there. So now I think I have to find some common stuffs there. Okay, so I can see that from the first two terms I can actually take a b prime c as common. So a b prime c, if I take it as common, then it becomes 1 plus d prime, and for the last two parts I can take bc, I guess. Okay, so for the time being, let's just keep the last two parts as they are. Let's see what happens. Okay, so next it becomes a b prime c, because 1 plus d is just 1, so I'm not going to write that down again. So now the equation becomes like this. Okay, now let's see. Okay, now we can actually take common from these two terms. So I can take ac as common, so now this becomes b prime plus b, and the remaining term is bcd prime. So b plus b prime is 1, so the equation the expression becomes like this: AC plus BC D prime. And I do not think we can simplify it further, so yeah, so this is the simplified equation from this question. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial. Thank you.